This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning, this is Jack from the Art of Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Friday, the 30th of August. My disclaimer, do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my tactical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what we're doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right. Okay, so far we're getting some very uncertain action and really not much at all that's happened in the last couple of days. Bitcoin has now spent the last, it closed 4 days ago underneath the daily middle band and has spent the last 3 days just underneath it. This is potentially opening the way to further downside. Hourly chart still holding this area in the 58,000 area. Are we forming a head and shoulders here? No. Because this flag high here would have to be one of the shoulders, and it really doesn't look like one at all. But that doesn't mean we can't go down. No divergence on the RSI 5 here. We do have a little RSI 14 buy signal fixed here on 15 minute, but it's already made the possible near miss target. Ethereum obviously is a long way below the daily middle band, and that's because this has been the weakest and has actually broken down from this double top. We haven't actually done anything to get further down towards the targets on this double top, but obviously while Solana and Bitcoin remain under the daily middle band, that is a concern that it's going to start. Looking at the Ethereum 15-minute chart, again we had a 15-minute buy signal. That one hasn't reached the possible near miss target yet. On Ethereum, we've spent the last full 3 days underneath the daily middle band. I'm going to do a post about this today, but basically it's really what I'm saying to you in the webinar here, which is that it's vulnerable as long as we're not holding the daily middle band as support. This could go down, and obviously Ethereum gives us potentially a path to go down, but it's the only one which really has a topping pattern here. On Solana, could this be a double top? Potentially, but it looks an awful lot more like a bull flag. So we will see. It's not as solid a double top as I would like to see, but it is possible. But at the moment, I'm still thinking that this is a pretty good chance of resolving up. On Avalanche, we are still holding the back test of the daily middle band, of the broken falling wedge resistance, and we're holding the daily middle band as support. Leaning bullish on this, and I'm watching this as an indicator for the market, which actually this hasn't been a bad indicator in the last few days. If this holds support here, then we're going up, and I think these may all be going up. If Ethereum turns down hard, then some more downside action. But we've got to remember also Ethereum is the weakest by a mile of these. Just because Ethereum goes and makes that target doesn't mean we're going to see serious further downside on Bitcoin or Solana, or indeed Avalanche. So we will see how it goes. Okay, great. In that case, let's have a quick look at questions. We haven't got any. In that case, I think it's a wrap. Everyone have a wonderful weekend. I'm certainly looking forward to having a nice one myself. Back pain is mostly gone today, which is great. So I will catch you guys later. Cheers. Look out for a post today, and obviously we've been working a possible theory that equities and crypto have been trading together, which they have to a degree over the last couple of months. That is a concern because I ran the numbers, and the odds of seeing a red September on equities are high. Very high, and we've got some decent looking topping setups forming. So we could see another month of painful consolidation on cryptos, which would be very boring. But we will see how it goes. All right, cheers. Catch you later, guys. Have a brilliant weekend.